Imagine waking up tomorrow, checking your phone, seeing that you earned $500. This is not a dream. It is a very real possibility in 2025. You can achieve this goal using powerful AI tools. You do not need a special degree. You do not need to be a tech genius. You do not need a lot of money to start. Many people think making money online is hard or confusing. They believe it is only for experts. That is old news. Today, artificial intelligence is changing everything. It makes the hard parts easy. This guide will show you exactly how to do it. We are going to explore 3 simple ways to make money. These methods are proven to work and perfect for beginners. This is not about getting rich overnight. It is about working smart, not just hard. Your path to earning $500 a day starts now. Let's crush it together. So, what makes AI such a big deal right now? Think of AI as the best employee you could ever hire. It works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It never gets tired. It never complains. And it is incredibly cheap to use. In the past, you needed many different skills. A writer, a designer, a marketer, a salesperson. That was a huge barrier. AI changes all of that. It levels the playing field for everyone. AI can write blog posts, design logos, and create social content in minutes. It can even produce scripts and voiceovers. Create 10 in the time one used to take. That is how you scale fast. You do not need to code, just learn clear prompts. AI becomes your creative assistant, marketing manager, and production team. The first and fastest way: offer freelance services. The main idea is simple. Find clients who need a service. Use AI to do the work much faster. Take on more projects, earn more in the same time. Popular services: writing blog posts, social content, simple graphics, and voiceovers. Let AI handle 80%. You polish the final 20. Pick a niche. Do not offer everything. Master one simple thing. Example: short blog posts for dentists. Example: Instagram posts for local coffee shops. Learn the right tool. ChatGPT, Jasper for writing, Canva Magic Studio, Midjourney for design. Create about 5 samples. Set up profiles where clients are. Start competitive. 10 $50 projects equals $500 a day. With AI drafts in minutes, finishing under an hour makes 10 projects achievable. Create a product once and sell it repeatedly. This is called passive income. Do the work up front, then earn for weeks, months, even years. Make sales while sleeping or on vacation. Great options: ebooks, design templates, online courses, prompt packs. Find a specific market and pain point, solve what they struggle with. A focused solution sells. Use AI to research demand and niches. Outline, write, and title with AI. Design and package with Canva. Your job: guide the AI, organize and add your unique touch. Sell on marketplaces. They handle payment and delivery. Promote with AI. Price at $20. 25 sales equals $500. With a good product and consistent promotion, this is very possible. AI-assisted affiliate marketing. Earn without creating your own products. You promote, you earn a commission per sale. Find a product, promote it, get paid for referrals. AI makes the content and ads faster and better. Ideal for beginners. Choose in-demand products with strong commissions. Promote what you like. Content becomes authentic. Aim for 40% or more. Use AI for short videos, blog posts, product reviews, and persuasive emails. Turn scripts into videos at scale. Distribute everywhere. Consider small ads if you can. Always include your unique link. 20 sales at $25 equals $500. Methods matter, but success comes from daily action. Use a clear routine to stay focused and avoid overwhelm. Build around efficiency. Maximize output in few hours. Flexible around your commitments. Plan tomorrow in 10 minutes before sleep. Start instantly with no decision fatigue. Keep it simple and specific. Your main creation block is 2 to 4 hours. Leverage AI for drafts, graphics, and scripts. fast. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Deliver and move on. Promotion is non-negotiable. Track results, double down on what works, repeat next day. As you start making money with AI, do things the right way. Be transparent where appropriate. Some clients and platforms have rules. Honesty builds trust. Do not paraphrase others and claim it. Respect image rights. Ensure commercial rights. Read terms of service. Safest path. Original AI-assisted content plus your creativity. Follow affiliate and platform rules. Disclose affiliate links clearly. Use tags like ad or commission earned. Skipping disclosures risks bans and legal trouble. Track income and expenses, including AI subscriptions. Consider a separate account and speak to a tax professional as you grow. Handle legal and financial basics early to build a long-lasting business. Set yourself up to scale without headaches. Theory is great. Action now is better. Here is what to do in the next hour. Pick one path. Do not do all three. Make a choice in 10 minutes. Then sign up for one core tool. Click around. Get a feel in 5 minutes. Create one tiny piece. Do not overthink it. Proof you can do this. Your first AI-assisted creation is done. Now, a clear 7-day plan. Day 1. Decide and onboard. Complete, not perfect. Make it real and purchasable. Promote and convert. Repeat weekly toward 500 a day.